In this video, I will show you how to create an Experian account. So if you want to create an Experian account for whatever you want to do with it, such as checking your credit score and your FICO score, and basically doing whatever they offer, then what you want to do is just head over to Experian.com and from there click on Sign Up Now. After doing that, you will see this, so you will need to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number and then your mobile number right there, and then click Get Started. Now after you do that, there's only a few steps left, so they will have you verify that it's actually you. So that means you will need to answer some questions about your credit history, such as previous addresses and more. So just answer any questions that they have, and then you also need to set up security for your account, such as security and recovery questions and more. And after taking all of those steps, you will have created your Experian account. You can then use it to check, for example, your credit score. So now you know how to create an Experian account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.